Stellantis's bold move, $13 billion investment in the US automotive industry. In a move that has shaken the automotive world, Stellantis, the parent company of iconic brands like Chrysler and Jeep, has unveiled a massive $13 billion investment plan for the United States. This announcement, made from the heart of the automotive industry in Detroit, promises to revolutionize the company's domestic operations and spark a turnaround under the leadership of CEO Antonio Filosa. Imagine strolling into a Stellantis dealership in Miami, Florida, and laying eyes on the sleek new Jeep Wrangler 4-door Sahara 4x4. It's a sight to behold, and it's just a glimpse of the exciting future Stellantis envisions. But here's where it gets controversial. This investment isn't just about flashy new vehicles. It's a strategic move to reshape the automotive landscape. Stellantis plans to allocate these funds over the next 4 years, focusing on manufacturing operations across key states like Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. The impact? A significant boost to the company's workforce, with over 5,000 new jobs on the horizon. This isn't just about numbers. It's about empowering communities and driving economic growth. The automaker's strategy involves more than just job creation. It's about introducing innovative new products that will reshape the automotive market. But this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the cars. It's about the story behind them. The dedication, the innovation, and the passion that goes into every vehicle. This announcement has sent shockwaves through the industry, and we're only just beginning to understand its full implications. As we await further details, one thing is clear. Stellantis is poised to make a bold statement, and the automotive world is watching with bated breath. So, what do you think? Is Stellantis's investment a brilliant move or a risky gamble? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Will this strategy propel Stellantis to new heights, or are there hidden challenges that could derail their plans? Let's discuss!